Uses of water. Drinking. Cooking. Bathing. Hand wash. Brushing teeth. Cleaning. Washing clothes. Washing utensils. Washing vehicles. Swimming. Farming. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.